Hi, I'm Carrie and welcome to Data Explorer's Daily News. Last week kicked off the 81st annual Geneva Motor Show. Among the 170 new models, there was clean engines, hybrid vehicles, yet not surprising, all the hype was around the revival of the sports car. So at Data Explorers, we took a look at this sector to see what the investors were thinking. First up, Volkswagen, a name very common amongst investors, not all for good reasons. They announced progress on their anticipated merger with Porsche, and funds, understandably, are unsure what to do. The short interest is at its low at less than 1%. Next up, accordingly, we looked at Porsche. Porsche showcased its hybrid four-door coupe, slightly an oxymoron for Porsche. Anyway, the short interest is held steady at 1%, and the longs have been bullish on this name with buying. However, Fiat, the short interest has jumped from 2% of all the shares outstanding to 6%, and the longs have been selling. Definitely a name to look at the fundamentals and understand what's happening for such a dramatic turn. Next up, an American name, GE. The company finally announced its first profit since 2004. Short interest is low, coming down from 4% to 1%, and the longs have been buying. So positive sentiment in that name. However, Ford, the high of interest was at 14% of all the shares in issue, which is very high. That's come down to 5.5%. However, the longs have been selling. So opposite sentiment in this name, an interesting one to watch. That's it for today. Take a look at dataexplorers.com/news for more information.